Out-of-place artifacts, UPART, are objects that appear to be out of context with respect to the historical period or geographical area in which they are discovered. These artifacts, according to accepted knowledge, should not exist in certain epochs or civilizations. They are too technologically advanced or belong to cultures that could not have created them. These finds are fascinating because they suggest the possibility of lost knowledge, cultural or technological advancements that predate known history. UPART is often used to hypothesize alternative scenarios, such as advanced ancient civilizations or unexplained interactions between peoples. Therefore, they pose a challenge for archaeologists and historians as they question the boundaries of our historical understanding and open the door to new interpretations of the past. Imagine standing before an object that defies all logic, an ancient hammer forged by human hands, yet encased in a rock dated to approximately 400 million years ago. This places it in a time so remote that the Earth was dominated by primitive marine creatures, giant ferns, and enormous insects, an era where no trace of humans existed, at least according to conventional science. How can this be possible? This enigmatic artifact, known as the Hammer of 𝐿, serves as a window into a past we cannot fully explain, raising more questions than answers. To grasp the astonishing nature of this mystery, we need to dive into the geological context of 400 million years ago, the Devonian period, also called the Age of Fishes. During this era of Earth's history, oceans teem with marine life such as ammonites and armored fish. The first plants began colonizing land, creating dense forests of primitive ferns. Insects made their initial appearances, but there were no mammals, dinosaurs, or certainly humans. According to current scientific theories, humanity emerged only around 200,000 years ago, making it impossible for an artificial object to exist from such a distant time. Yet the Hammer of 𝐿 forces us to reconsider our understanding of history. How is it possible that this tool was found embedded in sedimentary rock, formed in an age when human life was, theoretically, non-existent? Today we explore one of the most puzzling objects ever discovered, the Hammer of 𝐿, an artifact that defies every conventional explanation and challenges our understanding of the past. Found encased in sedimentary rock, dated by some analyses to 400 million years ago, this object has baffled researchers and enthusiasts worldwide. How could a human-made object be found in a layer of Earth formed in an era when humanity itself supposedly didn't exist? It is a relic out of time, a mystery that has inspired incredible theories. And it's not just its dating that makes it fascinating. The Hammer of 𝐿 appears to have been forged using techniques we cannot replicate even today. This extraordinary artifact was unearthed in 1936 near the town of 𝐿, not far from Austin, Texas, by Max and Emma Hahn during a walk along a river. They noticed a strange protrusion from a rock and, intrigued, decided to take it home. Later, when they broke open the rock, they revealed a hammer, a tool unmistakably crafted by human hands. The hammer was later studied at the Creation Evidence Museum, led by Dr. 𝐃𝐨𝐵, who highlighted its unique characteristics. Further analyses were conducted by other laboratories, including the Battelle Memorial Institute, which specializes in metallurgical studies. Each examination deepened the mystery surrounding the artifact. The hammer consists of two distinct components, the wooden handle and the metallic head, each possessing unique traits that challenge conventional scientific understanding. The wooden handle has undergone a process of petrification on the outside, while its interior has partially turned to coal. This indicates exposure to extreme environmental conditions involving the crystallization, likely due to water exposure, carbonization, potentially from fire or high temperatures. These processes would need to occur in rapid succession or even simultaneously, a combination that defies standard scientific explanations. The metal head is even more extraordinary. Metallurgical analyses revealed an astonishing composition: 96% pure iron, with no impurities such as silicon or carbon, typically found in modern metalworking. 2.6% chlorine and 0.74% sulfur, which are rarely found combined in this way in any modern manufactured metal. This level of purity is beyond what current technology can achieve without fully sealed and pressurized environments. Why is this so extraordinary? Even with today's advanced techniques, impurities cannot be entirely eliminated. This leaves two possibilities. The hammer was produced using technologies superior to those we possess today. It was forged in a completely different environmental context from the current conditions on Earth. Some researchers have even humorously referred to the hammer as an extraterrestrial object, as it seems impossible to produce using known terrestrial methods. The hammer's discovery has sparked a wave of theories ranging from geology and archaeology to religious interpretations. Let's explore the main hypotheses. 1. Pre-flood conditions. Many researchers interested in the hammer suggest it originates from a time before the biblical Great Flood. According to this theory, Earth during that period was vastly different. Higher atmospheric pressure. It's speculated that Earth had double the atmospheric pressure, allowing the creation of pure metals like the hammer's head. UV shielding. A vapor canopy above the atmosphere might have shielded Earth from harmful UV rays, creating a uniformly temperate climate. Longevity and gigantism. These conditions may have supported longer human lifespans, as described in Genesis, and the gigantism of plants and animals, including massive dinosaurs. 2. A catastrophic flood. The biblical flood is theorized by some scientists to have been a global cataclysm triggered by subterranean water bursts, described as fountains of the great deep, massive rainfall caused by the collapse of the vapor canopy encasing Earth. In this scenario, volcanic debris and surging waters could have rapidly formed sedimentary layers, encapsulating objects like the Hammer of Glen Rose. Third, conventional geological explanation. For those favoring a more traditional explanation, the hammer may be a relatively modern artifact that became accidentally trapped in a concretion of minerals. This process, known as sedimentary concretion formation, can occur far more quickly than proponents of alternative theories suggest. If genuine and as ancient as claimed, the Hammer of Glen Rose could fundamentally alter our understanding of history. It suggests the existence of advanced civilizations in eras far earlier than currently accepted by science. That Earth's past conditions may have been radically different, perhaps more conducive to life and advanced technology. On the other hand, if it's merely a recent geological formation, it still serves as a fascinating example of nature's ability to deceive our sense of time. The Hammer of Glen Rose continues to divide public opinion in the scientific community. Is it an out-of-time artifact or simply a misunderstood geological anomaly? Whatever the truth, its discovery challenges the limits of human knowledge and highlights how much we still have to learn about our past. What do you think? Could the Hammer of Glen Rose be evidence of ancient civilizations, or is it simply an enigma we've yet to solve? Let us know in the comments. Hi, I'm John. Our journey into mystery continues. If you want to uncover more hidden truths and answers to the greatest enigmas, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Together we'll explore the unknown, and who knows what secrets we'll find.